Welcome to another video. Let's solve this system of non-standard exponential equations required to solve for the value of x. And looking at these questions, there are three ways of solving this. So the one I know. So the first one is we can use the Lambert approach method to solve this particular problem. And the second approach is we can actually use the logarithm method, let's say logarithm approach, so by introducing logarithm to both sides. So why the last one is, so this one is a manipulation method, so I will call it the index approach. So there is a way to do this, so using just normal index without any logarithm or number. But here I'm going to use only the logarithm. So let's get into it. So if I introduce ln of 8 to the power of 6 equals to ln of 32x, then according to the rules of logarithm, so this x will come. Okay, let's say we have ln of a raised to power b, so it becomes ln of ab equals to ln of a plus ln of b. And so by applying it here, we're still going to apply this at ln of 8 equals to ln 32 plus ln of x. So according to the rules above, then but this 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3, and we have this equals to ln of 32 is 2 to the power of 5 plus ln x. So here we have base 2 for this. So by combining these two to one side, we have x ln 2 to the power of 3 minus ln of 2 raised to the power of 5 equals to ln x. Then if 3 come down, so it multiply x and it becomes 3x ln 2, while 5 also come and it becomes 5 ln 2 equals to ln x. Then, so ln of 2 is common, we factorize it out. Then we are going to have ln 2 bracket, we have 3x minus 5 equals to ln x. And by cancelling these two ln, we are going to have 2 to the bracket of 3x minus 5 equals to x. Then by opening the parentheses, we have 2 multiplied by 3x, that becomes 6x, minus 2 times 5, that is 10, equals to x. Then we start grouping. So if I decide to, let's say I decide to add 10 to both sides, we are going to have these two cancelled, and here is 6x equals to x plus 10. But x plus 10 is not 10x, so we just subtract x from both sides. So subtracting this, we have this to be 5x equals to 10. And by dividing both sides by 5, so which means the value of x here equals to, so 5 in 10, that is 2 times. Then we have x equals to 2. And x equals to 2 satisfy this equation by applying the logarithm approach. So let's check. So to check if this equals to 2, from the equation we have a to the power of x equals to 32x. And at x equals to 2, we have a to the power of 2 equals to 32 multiplied by 2. So a to the power of 2 is 8 times 8, that is 64. And 32 multiplied by 2, that is 64. So which means 2 satisfy this. And guys, so I used logarithm approach. So you can try out the Lambert approach or index approach and drop it in the comment box. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Never stop learning.